Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have another skincare review video. I love watching skincare review videos. I don't know about you guys, but today's one I will be talking about an SPF from the Roche Posay. You guys, it is still end of August. Summer is not over. Some people still are going on the summer holidays. Euro summer. I feel like Euro summer this year has become so popular. Like everybody is in south of France or in Italy or in Greece and Mykonos, Santorini, hint hint. But I have been using this brand for a very long time and I've been really loyal to this brand. I really love this brand. They have amazing products, and I have used one of the SPFs in the past, which was in a kind of gel cream formula. It had a pump. This one is a invisible fluid, so it's more liquidy as the name says. So I've put it back in the box so you guys can see. However, I've been using this for a month now. I would say 3 weeks now, just nearly a month. It's just basically amazing. Let me just get into it. It's the Ultimate Protection Ultra Long UVA Anthelios. I'm sure you guys heard about the name Anthelios or have seen this packaging. It is actually kind of like a viral product as well. It's in everyone's kind of summer essentials kind of kit because it's just a good SPF. You guys, SPF again is something that I've been really religiously applying every single day. Very important. I have been a bit lazy with my SPF in the past, but now that I see the damages that it does, the sun does, and the kind of effects that the sun gives you on your face, you really want to make sure to prevent all of this so you won't get these kind of wrinkles and kind of fatigue skin. And wow, I've been going really hefty with this, and it's one of my favorites. One of my favorite products. So it's the Anthelios UVA and UVB kind of protection. It's non-perfumed and it's SPF 50. Another thing I like about this, when you shake it, it has like a bowl and you can kind of hear it. It's kind of, I don't know, kind of very therapeutic. So what's the main kind of purpose and main kind of effects of this? So it's against most preventative UVA rays and UVB rays, tested on sensitive skin, reactive and intolerant skin. It's suitable for all skin types, which is good. All prototypes. It's without perfume, and it's obviously Roche Posay is #1, UK is #1, dermatologist recommended brand for sun protection, which is really good to hear. Ultra resistant formula specifically developed for sensitive skin, a very high protection, broad spectrum SPF 50 plus comfortable fluid formula that is ultra water, sweat and sand resistant. High tolerance, anti-eye stinging, invisible, lightweight texture and leaves no white cast. So yeah, these are the kind of, it's also got the key ingredients, so I'm not gonna get into the ingredients. Basically it's the innovation and UV protection, new exclusive UV filter that protects against ultra long UVA. It's got net lock technology. It's a very high protection, invisible texture, it's non-greasy, non-sticky formula and stuff like that. So you guys can see it's for all skin types, specifically for sensitive skin. It's non-sticky, non-greasy, and obviously you can apply it as much as you want. So I've been using this every single morning in my morning skincare routine. Once I've applied my toner, my eye cream, my moisturizer, let them all sink in a little bit, and then I take this bad boy, shake it really well like that, and obviously it has a very nice kind of pipette situation. And let me show you guys the formula. Oop, you guys can see it's very liquidy. Oh my goodness gracious, it's very liquidy, so bear that in mind. So let me just put this comfortable in there, and this is my hand. Can you guys see the liquid? It really goes down and it's super liquidy. But look at that, when I rub it in, you guys can see the white cast. Now literally not even a minute, not even 10 seconds, it's already gone. It's gone. Like this not even took 5 seconds. It's gone. It's so kinda invisible and lightweight, and that's what I like about this. Can you guys see my hand? How nice and shiny. It's not that shiny, you guys can see. It's not sticky at all and it's not greasy. It's very nice, fast absorbent. Oh my god, It has literally no perfume. I can't smell anything. Only a very subtle light kind of scent of the cream. Oh, it's amazing. Can you guys see? It's absolutely amazing. It literally, when I apply this in the morning, it doesn't even take me like 2 minutes or 1 minute to apply my SPF. I've been using very nice on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my nose. It doesn't break me out, doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't give me any redness. In fact, it made applying SPF so much more easier. I feel like fluids in general, especially this one here. Of course, I had other fluids. Sometimes the white cast does bother me a lot, specifically when I apply it on my beard. Like, it literally sticks on my beard. Also, some moisturizer stick on my beard. But with this one, when I apply it, I just do this and it's gone. So I don't have to worry about kind of product stuck in my beard. Sometimes I have that issue when I apply my skincare routine in the morning. When I go out and about in the morning throughout the day, I'm like, oh my god, what's this white stuff on my beard? Then I notice it's the cream. It's my SPF, it's the moisturizer. With this one, I don't have to worry because it's literally invisible. You can't even see it that you applied SPF. I don't apply it throughout the day, but of course, if I imagine myself lying in a hot beach in the summertime, I would definitely reapply this because sometimes I feel like, not even with this one, with all of the SPF, you feel like you just need to do a top up throughout the day because the sun is out and you really want to make sure that you're protected against the sun. So yeah, I've been really enjoying using this in the morning. It literally absorbs so quickly onto the skin, and as I said, my skin feels so nice and hydrated, super protected. It doesn't leave me any white cast, and makes my skin nice and kind of mattified, which is good. So it hasn't got kind of effects that makes your skin really like shiny, greasy, or stuff like that. In fact, it kind of mattifies the skin and also protects the skin at the same time. You guys can see it's not greasy at all. In fact, it makes it really nice and enjoyable. So regarding the packaging, you guys can see, as I said, it has a nice small little bowl inside. You have to shake it in order to kind of get the product activated, and of course it comes with a nice pipette, but bear that in mind, it's very liquidy. Very liquidy, and it comes in a nice box as well. You got the English side as well as a French side. Roche Posay is an amazing French skincare, you guys know that. Dermatological tested most of the products, which I really like as well. It's made in France. Again, amazing for traveling. The packaging because it's plastic, so it's a 50 ml, so you can put this in your hand luggage, so it's really also really good. So amazing for traveling, very lightweight, very nice, sleek kind of packaging. Amazing to put it in your bag, in your pockets, in your handbags, you know what I mean. So really good for kind of summer holidays in terms of the packaging. And the price of this, I think it's around £20. Sometimes you find it on offer as well on Boots, so check it out as well. And I'm sure you'll find a Roche Posay everywhere in the market because it's so accessible, so affordable as well. If I have to compare this invisible fluid with the other cream, of course they have the sprays as well. They have a bunch of different type of SPF products, La Roche Posay. If I have to compare it, honestly, I would definitely go for this one, even though it's good for summer holidays because it's easy to apply. It's like a liquid, it's very quick and easy, you know what I mean. The cream is also good if you want a more, I don't know, it's hard to say. If you have a busy lifestyle, I would maybe suggest this because it's good and it's easy. As I said, the cream is good if you have some time in the morning, if you really want to massage the SPF onto your skin, and it's got obviously a thicker consistency. So that's, I would say, are the main differences between the cream and the fluid. Obviously it's kind of common sense because this fluid is liquidy and the cream is more like a thicker consistency. So I don't know, if you have the time, go for the cream. If you don't have the time, if you want a quick kind of invisible thing, go for the fluid. And if you're holiday planning, of course go for the fluid as well as the sprays as well, because as I said, they have a huge variety of different type of skincare. I mean SPF products in terms of the skincare world, sprays, liquids, creams, you know, cooling creams, and after sun lotions and stuff like that, as well as for your body, for the kids and stuff like that. So it's a huge variety of those, and I'm glad that I've picked this because I haven't tried this before. I have obviously tried the cream version. I'm sure I've done like a dedicated review video as well about that. Go and check it out if you want. But yeah, I really like it. If you're looking for a new SPF for the summer, definitely check this one out. And with this, I'm gonna conclude this video in here. So I hope you guys found this video all informative and helpful. I hope you guys all liked it and enjoyed it. So if you did, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare review videos like these. If there are any other videos you guys want me to film, then please do let me know down below as well. At the moment, I'm using some new skincare products as well. Also, side note, random one, I've been a bit busy with this little bad boy with Lego, so this is a new hobby for me, so I don't know how this is gonna go because it takes me quite a while to do something. So I'm quite interested about Lego at the moment. Very weird and bizarre. I do go through phases at the moment, so please bear that in mind. Anyways, enough of the rambling. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.